Do you have eggs coming and you're trying to figure out if you should spend money on a new incubator or build your own? Well, we did both, and we're going to show you our incubators. Incubators can be made out of all sorts of things, but a lot of people like to use old drink coolers. You can buy them already made, but the larger capacity incubators tend to be pricey. We have 2 incubators so that we always have a backup ready and in case we need extra room. Our pre-made incubator came from a company called Nature's Spirit. They've been around for years and we've had success using them in the past. This season, while working on our custom incubator, the Nature's Spirit unit hatched out 3 clutches without any problems. It has 2 cords. One goes straight to the wall so that the fan always circulates the air inside. The other cord is for heat, so it plugs into a thermostat. So the other unit we use is a broken laboratory incubator. We purchased it used for $500, and when we realized it wouldn't maintain temp, we ordered heat tape from Reptile Basics. We installed the heat tape along the sides and bottom of the incubator wall and ran the power cord through the top and out the back to the thermostat. The fan already on the unit worked still, so we cut the fan's power wire and connected it directly to the power coming into the incubator. When the incubator is plugged in, the fan powers on to circulate air. It maintains heat within 0.2 of a degree. The thermostat probe comes from the top and is secured where the factory probe was. We tried using a Ranco thermostat at first, but there were some large temp swings, and then we read that the Rancos malfunction sometimes within a few years. The Rancos are on-off thermostats, and when the power goes out, they work fine with standard generators, so that's good. Herbstats are proportional thermostats, and they don't play nice with standard generators. They need inverters to clean up the power in order to work properly, and those generators aren't cheap. We went with the Herbstat anyway for its stable temps, but living in Florida with the threat of hurricanes, we will eventually invest in a Honda generator. Our lab incubator is made by Fisher Scientific, and is jacketed in water to maintain a constant temp and to hold heat longer when the power goes out. New, a laboratory incubator like this would run $7,000 or more. Finding a broken unit and adding heat tape worked well for us. One tip we'd like to offer: keep a Wi-Fi connected temp and humidity sensor in one of your egg boxes to alert you of any problems. You can set alarms to go off when something isn't right. I use Aquara sensors and they work pretty well. Let us know in the comments section what incubator you use and give us your tips. Like this video, subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy helping your snakes thrive.